Surah Al-Baqarah Ayah 14 and 15.
وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا مَعَكُمْ وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا مَعَكُمْ إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُسْتَهْزِئُونَ اللَّهُ يَسْتَهْزِئُ بِهِمْ وَيَمُدُّهُمْ فِي طُغْيَانِهِمْ يَعْمَهُونَ.
Translation. And when they meet the believers, they say, "We believe." But when alone with their evil companions, they say, "We are really with you, we were only mocking." Allah mocks them and leaves them prolonged in their rebellion, blindly wandering. In Ayah 14, imagine you have a friend who acts super nice to your face but laughs at you behind your back. They pretend to be your buddy when you're around, but when they're with mean kids, they say, "Ha, we were just joking, we don't really like them." This ayah is about people who lie to good people and pretend to believe in Allah, but secretly, they're making fun of them. Ayah 15 says, when someone is mean and dishonest, Allah lets them stay lost in their lies. It's like if you keep telling fibs, you'll get so confused you forget what's true. What are the lessons? Number 1, always be honest, don't pretend to be someone you're not. Number 2, true friends don't laugh at others behind their backs. Number 3, lying and mocking others makes your heart dark and confused. Ayah 14 actually exposes hypocrites who wear a mask of faith around believers but reveal their allegiance to evil, shayateen, in private. They mock believers, thinking their deception is clever, but Allah sees through their lies. In Ayah 15, Allah mocks them by letting them drown in their own arrogance. He gives them time and resources to persist in their rebellion, which only deepens their spiritual blindness. Their confusion, yamahun, is a punishment for their insincerity. What we are getting from this is: first, hypocrisy is self-destructive. It corrupts the soul and distances us from truth. Second, Allah's mockery is a form of divine justice. He lets hypocrites spiral in their own chaos. Third, true faith requires consistency between public actions and private intentions. Remember, honesty is like a superpower. It keeps your heart bright and your path clear. Let's all try to take off our masks and be the best versions of ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more lessons that make the Quran come alive.